It's a fridge for a boat. This is a DIY project. I need some help. Looks like everything is working fine. I do some flushing on the pipes. Now it's working. I charge the 30134A, and my readings are this one. Okay, it keeps like that. It doesn't goes up or down. And the interior is it's frosty even. All the top part of the fridge. Let me see if I can open it. It's frosted even. So for me that's supposed to be a perfect charge, but I want someone to tell me how much pressure I should have at the end of the charge. Thank you.